Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our online session of English class. I am Sweetie, your English teacher. So today we will discuss about the chapter common and proper noun, which are the kinds of noun. Before starting this chapter, let's recall the previous chapters which we have learned earlier. Common, uh, which we have earlier about noun. So what is a noun? We all know that a noun is the name of person, place, animal, or thing, right? So what we see around, what we see in our surroundings, all are nouns. So the name of everything which you are holding, a pencil, pen, chair, etc., everything is a noun. So that's why noun is also called the naming words, right? So and moving forward, the kinds of noun, there are 5 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun. I will write here. Kinds of noun are kinds of noun are first, common noun; second, proper noun; third, collective noun; fourth, material noun; and 5 is abstract noun. Common noun is used for general names. Proper noun is used for special names for specific persons or particular persons. Third, collective noun is used for group names. Material noun is used for substance names. Abstract noun is used for emotions names. Right. So today we will discuss about these two nouns. So our topic is common and proper noun. Before reading this chapter, let's see first question number first. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters where necessary. So we all know that every sentence begins with capital letter. So we have to do the same in this question. Here we can see first one: my best friend Isha and I went to the zoo on Tuesday. So first one is begin with capital letter. So we will write M capital and Y in small. Best friend Isha. Isha is a name of a person. So this is also write with capital letter I. I capital letter and to the zoo on the Tuesday. We will also write Tuesday with capital letter. Second one is on Christmas Eve, we decorate the trees with ornaments and light. So we can clearly see there are no proper nouns in this question. So we will only change this one with capital letter. Third question number third. My brother Abhishek is reading a book about dinosaurs. So the first one is write with capital letter. Abhishek is also begin with capital letter. About dinosaurs is common noun, so we will not have to written this on capital letter. Question number 4 is the team won the championship game at the stadium last night. The sentence will start with capital letter T. Question number 5 is my favorite subject in school is geography. So in this question, geography is a proper noun. So we will write geography in capital letter and begin the sentence with capital letter. So we clearly see here that sentence starts with capital letter whether it is common noun or proper noun. But in the middle of the sentence, or if a noun proper noun is come in the last of the sentence, we have to use capital letter also, because capital letters are used for proper nouns, whether it is in the beginning, middle, or end of the sentences. Let's begin this chapter. Read the sentences given below. The teacher gave an assignment. There are two sentences given. First one is the teacher gave an assignment. Second one is Mr. Smith gave an assignment. Do you notice that the nouns in both sentences are slightly different from each other? In the first sentence, the word teacher is common noun. It is common noun because it refers to a general person who teaches. In the second, the word Mr. Smith is a proper noun because it refers to a specific person by name. So the difference is clear. There are two sentences. First one is the teacher gave an assignment, and the second one is Mr. Smith gave an assignment. So here the teacher is common noun, and the Mr. Smith is proper noun. The difference is that the teacher is the person. It could be anyone, male or female, anyone, or it generally uses for the person who teaches. Generally uses for the person who teaches, and Mr. Smith is a special name for the teacher. That's why this is proper noun. It also begins with capital letters. So here we can see that a noun is a name given to a general person, place, animal, or thing, which means a noun which is given to any person generally. Name given to any person generally, any idea, anything, any place. Okay, these are called common nouns. For example, you can see that, for example, she bought a new dress. She bought a new dress for the party. Second one is the doctor checked the patient's health. For example, first one, the words dress, party, doctor, and patient are examples of common noun, because dress, it can be anything, any dress. Party, there is no specific name for the party. Doctor, there is no mention any name for the doctor, or the patient's name is also not mentioned. That's why these are common nouns. I hope you will understand. I hope you understood the common noun. The noun which are given to a general person, not specifically named any person. So moving forward to the next page, proper noun. Look at the sentences first. The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark in Paris. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So look here, in the above sentences, Eiffel Tower, Paris are specific names, and the second one is Mount Everest is the specific name for the mountain, and the mountain here is common noun. Okay, for more examples, India, Microsoft, John, Monday, etc. are the examples of proper noun, because it refers to a specific name to a particular person. Okay, there is an important thing. For a proper noun is a specific name for name. A proper noun is a specific name for particular person, place, animal, or thing, and proper noun always starts with capital letter, which means a particular proper noun is always starts with capital letter. Let's compare this. Let's compare these two nouns. First, common noun is city, person, country, car, and mountain. These are common nouns. And if when we name specifically for the city, New York, Tokyo, Patna, any city, you can name any city, then this is called proper noun. Person is a common noun, and if we can name the person specifically, Arav, Maria, Himanshu, anyone, It can be your sibling's name, your name, anyone's name is particular name for the proper noun. And here country is common noun, and the name of the country, Canada, Brazil, India, are proper noun. Car is a common noun, and then the name of the car, Tata, Honda, Hyundai, is the proper noun. The name of the mountain, Mount Kailash, K2, Mount Everest, which we have seen earlier, is proper noun, because proper noun is the special name, special names for particular person, place, animal, or anything. Moving forward. Here are some more questions to practice. Question number B, underline the common noun and circle the proper noun in each sentences. Question number first is Lisa's favorite color is blue. So here we can clearly see Lisa is the name of a person. Lisa is the name of the person, right? So the name of the person is Lisa. So this is proper noun. Color is common noun. Second, the children played a game in the backyard. The children is common noun. Game is common noun. Backyard is common noun. Question number 3, Annie. Annie is the proper noun because it is the name of the person. So this is for today. This is your homework. Thank you. Thank you so much.